Hello guys, welcome to Olympus Bonds. And today we'll go through the qualification process of this. Rate the video. Hitapp. It's a little bit difficult for users to get qualified, and we'll try best to get qualified and give you the answers. Okay, so let's jump in. You can see they have increased the qualification to 10. Previously it was I think 2 or 3. They are 5. They're giving 5 attempts and 10 hits in each of those. Okay, let's get to the qualification page. Okay, so you have to see the video. So, first video is about how McIntyre makes everyone laugh.
Michael McIntyre is one of the most popular and successful comedians in the UK. He has sold out arenas, hosted his own show, and made millions laugh with his witty observations and hilarious anecdotes. But apart from his stand-up routines, McIntyre is also known for his prankster side. He
How to see the whole video?
most
Cannot submit before
unexpected pranks on
I watch this whole video like this.
and even strangers. He
Can you
pranked
see?
London Underground passengers as
It
the
is an
announcer,
entire video
joking about the
to
gap between
submit.
the train and reality. For his wife's birthday, he hired a choir and hid in a cake. He sang a personalized song and popped out of the cake, surprising and delighting her. He also loves to mess with his fellow celebrities, especially on his show Michael McIntyre's Big Show. He has done things like sending embarrassing texts from their phones, stealing their clothes, and breaking into their hotel rooms. But perhaps his most daring and hilarious prank was when he kidnapped the pop star Robbie Williams from his dressing room. He then drove him around London, while forcing him to perform his songs with a karaoke machine in the car. He also made him do random tasks, such as buying flowers and getting tattoos. Michael McIntyre is a master of comedy and a genius of pranks. He always manages to make people laugh with his clever and creative jokes. He is truly a British treasure and a comedy legend.
Okay, so the video is complete. So it's a real interesting video, and it is informative. So I'll give it 5 star, 3 star, 4 star, and it's not offensive. Okay, so but you cannot you have to click. So you have to select at least one of this exclamation mark. Okay, so submit it. Okay. Oh, that's about a little da Vinci. Oh, my favorite. He's multi-talented. He was left-handed. Let's say about it. There was an illegitimate child. His father, Sir Pierre, was a snottery, and his mother, Caterina, was a peasant woman. He's one of the most famous painters of all time, with works such as the Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. He was also an architect, musician, mathematician, scientist, and inventor, and he was a vegan and was left-handed. Okay, so all right, interesting, informative, a little bit offensive because I think one thing he was uh illegitimate child. That's a little bit offensive. They should not describe him as an illegitimate. Okay, next. Uh, okay, so that is interesting, a little bit informative also, not offensive.
The Disastrous Life of Seiki K is a hilarious anime about a psychic teenager who tries to hide his powers and live a normal life. But did you know that the show is full of pop culture references and Easter eggs? One of the most obvious references is the parody of the Dragon Ball series, which is called Porygon Ball in the show. Seiki and his friends often watch it and comment on the absurd fights and transformations. Another popular anime that is referenced in Seiki K is JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, which is known for its stylish poses and bizarre abilities. Seiki's classmate Hero often imitates the JoJo poses and even has a stand-like power. Seiki K also pays homage to many classic manga and anime, such as Astro Boy, Doraemon, Slam Dunk, and